Google is hiring freshers and you are at the right place for getting hired. There are 5 openings in 2 domains. Stick with me for next few minutes and I'll spill the secret to stand out, plus some upskilling hacks to seal the deal. Ready? Let's make your dream to be a Googler real. But first, smash that like button if you're ready to level up your career. First up, technical operation role. This role is all about keeping Google's silicon system, think chips and hardware, running smoothly. You will troubleshoot, optimize and work on cutting-edge tech that powers Google's cloud. In this role, you are the frontline user support for all their internal tools and technologies. Before knowing about the role, comment below what you want me to cover next. The 3 open posts are: first, Technical Operation Engineer Silicon. You need 1 year of experience in IT operations, troubleshooting Linux, technical support, etc. and bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field. Second one is again Technical Operation Engineer Silicon. Just the difference is you need 2 years of work experience to be eligible for applying. Third position open is Technical Operation Engineer with same responsibilities, just a different opening for you to apply. Subscribe if you're serious about making your career, and like, share and save to not misplace the link. Second opening is for Cloud AI Engineer. This one is for AI lovers. You'll build and deploy AI models using Google Cloud tools like Vertex AI and BigQuery. The first opening in this domain is Cloud AI Engineer English. The eligibility criteria is you should have a bachelor's degree in computer science or related fields, experience in building data and AI solution, and ability to communicate in English fluently to support client relationship management in this region. Your work will be to act as a trusted technical advisor to Google's strategic customers, identify new product features and feature gap, and collaborate with product manager and engineer to influence the roadmap of Google Cloud platforms. The second opening is of Cloud Engineer AI. The responsibilities are same as the previous one, just that you need bachelor's degree in computer science, mathematics or a related field with experience in ML, Python, DSA, etc. So how do you go from I wish to I got the job? Upskilling, my friends. Google love candidates who show they're serious about learning. In the description below, I have given some free courses with certificate to add in your resume and boost your chances to get hired. Also, tailor your resume and highlight cloud or AI projects to make it ATS compliant. The link to apply is in the description below. Till next time, career buddies, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and I'll see you at the top. Maybe even at Google.